Hi, I'm Theo for Specialized Subaru Parts. We have a '08 Outback. I'm going to show you guys how to take off a strut on the front passenger side. First, we're going to go ahead and take the wheel off. We're going to use a 19mm socket. Make sure you're in reverse. And go in a star pattern. Okay, you see in here we have two 19mm bolts. We're going to go ahead and break those loose using an open-ended ratchet and a air gun. Go ahead and put my 19mm open end on the back side and my air gun on the front, so 19 as well. Same thing for the bottom. May have to wiggle this a little bit to get it loose. I'm going to go grab a 12mm ratchet to break this 12mm right here to disconnect the ABS line, and the same thing for the brake line in the back. I have a 12mm socket, 3/8 ratchet. There's also a 12mm right there. You got to take off as well. Okay, now you're clear. Your strut is loose, and you go ahead and take off the 12mm bolts up top. I have a 12mm socket, 12mm nut. We have 3 of these. Make sure you put your hand underneath to hold it and support the strut, because it will drop. The strut is out. To install it, you do everything in reverse. Go ahead and line it up. Start the bolts with your fingers. And there you go. Go ahead and line your spindle knuckle back up with the strut. Put your bottom bolt in first. You may have to wiggle it back and forth. Just finger tighten it. Makes it a little bit easier to go ahead and get your top bolt lined up. Next, you want to go ahead and take your 12mm nut, put it back, bolt in your ABS wire, your brake line, I apologize, your brake line. You'll come back and tighten that up. Next, we're going to do the ABS line. Hand ratchet, 12mm socket. Nice and snug. Okay, there we are, finished. And there we go.